is the 24th of June 2021. This is Elsankuja, Elsaskränden 5 stekisesti, and only the stekis is C and D, there's actually have elevators, only two. This is Matinkylä, Matinkylä, Espoo, Helsinki, Espoo's region of Finland, one of the suburbs here. Amazing. Still original. But I think it's also a bit slow, but same style, like white and red as the building 3. But the Valmet still instead. Valmet built in 1983. It turned 35 years old in 2018. The serial number is V6411, the capacity is 4 per 25 grams, and it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2022. Turning 40 years old in 2023. No, I mean 8. Didn't see it. It stopped me. Oh, that I didn't see. I didn't press. Because we don't have time.
Yeah.
Still 2 rights because there only 2 of these.
Yeah.
But I hope nobody is coming.
Yeah.
With memory.
Yeah.
Maybe this is early 1983 after all, and 3 is late 1982.
Yeah.
But still with the 70s or 80s, like.
Yeah.
Version. Not. It doesn't sound like 83 in there.
Yeah.
But it was finished maybe late 1982.
Yeah. Niissä tippaakin väiskuttaa, että mentiin Espoohissa.
It's not the best possible material, but still original.
Yeah.
And luckily so. It could have been bad generic.
Yeah.
I mean, it shouldn't have been yet.
Yeah.
Because we needed to film it also.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. That's it. Thank you for watching. Just this thing is here. While we get it filmed.
That's